Are you pursuing or have completed a BA in English honors, wondering what comes next? Let's explore the top career options that combine your love for language with real world opportunities. First, let's look at traditional career paths. Teaching with a B.Ed or after clearing NET, you can teach at schools or colleges. Academic research, pursue an MA, then a PhD for a career in higher education or literary research. For PhD, it is better to qualify NET. In that case, you can avoid the more grueling RET of the universities. Publishing and editing. English graduates are valued in publishing houses as editors, proofreaders, or content curators. You can consider getting a certificate course from any standard university or institution specifically on proofreading or content creation. Secondly, you can think about media and communication. Print, digital journalism welcomes those with strong writing and critical thinking. You can think about SEO content, blogging, technical writing, and script writing if you are comfortable with using computers. Public relations and corporate communication are also a good place to get into. Companies hire English graduates for brand communication and media outreach. If you are a people person, this is your right place. If you are interested in creative and cultural fields, you can pursue a career in creative writing. You can actually write fiction, poems, and even there is screenwriting for films. You can explore options in Kindle for self-publication, and who knows, if your readership really grows, you can do wonders. Then publishers will be after you. Many English grads actually take to acting, directing, even theater is a good place to explore yourself if you are an outgoing person and you have acting skills or you love that. NGOs, cultural organizations, working in areas like gender, education, or heritage with communication and documentation roles. So whichever you are more comfortable with, you have to choose that kind of an option. Finally, you can think of emerging modern career tracks such as digital marketing, social media, email campaigns, and brand storytelling, which need strong language skills. Yes, you have to work as a freelancer, but then that means you have unlimited potential of growth considering the risks. Speaking of risks, the most sought after career which you might feel as a life insurance, that is the civil services. Many aspirants from English background crack UPSC, SSC, bank exams. Although English is not one of the most popular choices so far as UPSC optional is considered, but if it is really a strong area, you can actually think about it. In any case, no matter which subject you choose as your optional, your English background will definitely help you because there are general papers which check your English expertise. So your English degree opens more doors than you think. Follow your interests, build your skills, and carve your own path. The world is ready for your voice.